Hi, I'm Chaithanya Audikeshavulu, and I thank the entire team of Avotech to coming together and promoting technology in a very futuristic way, and you're talking about technologies. Uh, I'm a part of Indus Veda, where we are a part of 1.5 lakh farmers, and Indus Veda Indus Veda works with about 1.5 lakh farmers with various technologies such as biotechnology, plant tissue culture, stem cells, aquaponics, hydroponics, and permaculture. So by end of 2024, I would like, we would like to expand to more than 2 lakh farmers by end of 2024. And currently, Indus Veda is working in 6 states with about 60 villages. And we have about 285 groups of mahilas who are housewives and widows. We have created an entrepreneurial setup for them, and we help them, earn from work from home. So that is all
Basically,
about.
overall can approach you, what kind of benefits they will get in short?
Okay, we basically do contract farming. So we educate the farmer about organic farming and healthy living, and we provide free seeds for their home kitchen for their supplies, and we also insure the farmers on farmers insurance and crop insurance.
Are their revenues are increasing with this organic farming and
Of
your support,
course,
your technology support?
of course. If you see, the market when it comes, when it comes about tomatoes, the price there is a price hike. What it was much before last year. Now, if you see, I think the tomato price is about 40 rupees per kg, which is a very good thing. Whereas last year it was, I think, about 5 to 6 rupees per kg. So comparatively, the future is farming and agriculture and technology. So if we use the right kind of solutions in the right kind of weather, I think we would do great.
So here in Avotech 2023, what is your message to all the organizers and as well as participants and your wishes?
Avotech, firstly, thanks for bringing all of these beautiful, mindful souls together and creating an opportunity for one and all. And this has been a one-stop, connection between the B2B to the B2C market. So I thank one and all for this beautiful initiative, and I also thank Sankalp, who has also been a part of this association, and I also thank Unibic for sponsoring education for these beautiful children out here. Thank you.